Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to export video in FCP. Prepare your timeline, stabilize clips, and set accurate in and out points. Then clean audio, apply color correction, and flatten compound clips. Finally, choose codec, resolution, and bitrate that match delivery platform and export. Use presets for YouTube or Vimeo, or create custom export settings. Run a short test export to check audio levels and color. Name files clearly with project and date to avoid confusion. Balance audio early and fix any noisy clips before export to save time later. Use rolls to export stems or full mixes depending on client needs, and keep audio meters within safe limits. Apply gentle compression and limiters to prevent clipping during delivery. Match color to your target output using scopes and a final viewing check. Export a short segment to verify sound and image harmony before the full export. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: Little Tree's Black Ice is a refreshing car scent that keeps long drives pleasant and focused, which pairs nicely with editing commutes or review sessions. I keep one in my car for crisp, clean-smelling drives between client meetings. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Select a codec and container that fit where the video will live, like H.264 for streaming or ProRes for masters. Match resolution and frame rate to your sequence to avoid odd scaling. Use 2-pass bitrate for predictable quality and smaller files, and consider variable bitrate for complex motion. Add metadata and captions during export if required. Keep a master file and a delivery file with clear names to simplify future revisions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.